आपने 50 साल तो पूरी कर दिए, पहले आपको बधाई हो। एंड अभी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की वजह से हम आपको हाथ नहीं मिला रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग जो है ये मास्क को तो हटाए हैं मगर हाथ नहीं मिला रहे हैं, ये सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की वजह से गवर्नमेंट का जो रूल्स को भी हम लोग काबू रखना है, इसलिए हम लोग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं। बट आपको बधाई हो एंड और भी आगे आगे आप जिंदगी में और भी इन्वेंशन करना है और भी आपको काम हो, इसको हम लोग का तरफ से आपको बधाई और प्रार्थना है। गॉड ब्लेस यू। अभी आप शुरू करिए, आपका जिंदगी कैसे शुरू हुआ ये लेदर प्रोडक्शन इंडस्ट्री में?
ये 1970 में कानपुर के अंदर सैडल बिजनेस डेवलप कर रहा था।
ठीक है।
तो उसी टाइम हमने भी इसको सैडल बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, हॉर्स राइडिंग इक्विपमेंट्स। तो उसके साथ करते करते फिर धीरे धीरे ये सैडल बैग भी आया जो हॉर्स के ऊपर रखते हैं, तो उसका भी प्रोडक्शन मैंने शुरू किया। और फिर वो सैडल बैग से उसको धीरे धीरे मैंने दूसरे बैग में बढ़ाया, जिसमें सैडल आपका पोर्टफोलियो बैग है, सैडल बैग है, टूलिंग का बैग, जो कानपुर का एक स्पेशलिटीज है कि गुड्स पे टूलिंग करने का, लेदर पे टूलिंग करने का, तो उससे स्टार्ट किया। और फिर उसके बाद पोर्टफोलियो बैग है, दूसरे लेडीज बैग है, डेफल बैग है, ये धीरे धीरे उसको अपने स्टार्ट किया।
Good. So Mr. Kamran mentions here that he started somewhere in 1970 when the leather industry in Kanpur was making a makeshift into manufacturing of saddlery for the horses. Okay, and these are for the equestrian products and are mainly for the horse equipments. It starts with the saddlery, the reins, the bridles, and then a lot of other products combined for the maintenance of the horse which are going for the racing. And this was in a big demand because of the English people living in India. They thought that okay, Kanpur has the right climate and that they have the right material, which is the buffalo material, and then they wanted to use this for their horses in a different way. That is where Mr. Kamran got into this idea of making this saddlery. Having gone into saddlery, he moved on. He wanted to convert that saddlery production into saddlery bag production, which would be used by the riders. Okay, he did not go into the shoe production, but then rather he went into the making of these saddlery bags, which has been very important for that particular time. From that, he moved on into manufacturing of the portfolio bags, which has always been made by a heavy leather. And then you could see here, these are all the specialty of making by Mr. Kamran, and which has been made with heavy leathers. On everything is made from buffalo with some nice oily touch, suitable for the American market, with some nice embossing that is coming over here on the croco design, and which is suitable again for the American market. And then that is a single gusset bag which has been very much celebrated in the American market. Particularly the blacks love this particular color, and then it's been a big hit with the American market and the American public over there. And then that's a soft collection on the portfolio bag which has got a 3 gusset. So that's an advantage of making this particular bag and for a person to carry. And Mr. Kamran went into this, and then he moved on into tooling. Tooling has been one of the major development that has been happening in Kanpur, and which has been more like everything is done by hand. Okay, there's no machine involved. It's all been done by the artisans and the craftsmen of Kanpur, and which is still going strong. And he has been following this particular tooling system, combining with the saddle leather to make a very nice saddle bag, but then with a tooling collection to make it comfortable for a young women to carry also. You can see here, that's a nice collection of a tool bag in a tan color, and this is in a dark brown color, tan color, and then you could find something in a cognac color. So these are all hand tooled, and everything is made by the artisan craftsmen. So whoever is buying this is promoting and developing the craftsmen and the indigenous handwork system of India. And further to that, the belts are also made out of this tooling system. If you see here, the belts are made with all this hand tooling, and then it looks excellent and crafty with that particular hand tooling that is coming up over here in this belts. And furthermore, Mr. Kamran has always been advocating for made in India and make in India, and he has been using all this brass buckle which has been made from Aligarh, which is very close to Kanpur, and all these are all brass buckles and which are very sturdy, strong, and does not have any sort of complication to the nature. Sounds interesting, कमरन साहब। और एक चीज बताइए, आपने जो है ये आपका जो लाइफ का जो जर्नी है, जो ट्रैवल है, ये कहाँ से शुरू किया था? एक्सपोर्ट से शुरू किया था, नहीं तो डोमेस्टिक से शुरू किया था?
नहीं, मैंने शुरुआत जो है दिल्ली की जो 2-3 बड़े कंपनियां थे उनको प्रोडक्शन अपने दिया बना के, जिसमें से एक कंपनी थी क्रूवॉस करके,
बड़ा ब्रांड, बड़ा नाम
बड़ा
था।
ब्रांड, और एक थी आपका अल्पाइन,
हाँ,
फिर जैक ग्रुप, और आपका बेनॉक्स, और आपका 2-3 कंपनी और थी। इनके लिए
शायद इनसे बाजार कनेक्शन भी कुछ काम किए हैं, एबेक्सो ग्रुप को भी कुछ काम किया
को भी दिया है, और उनको जो देते थे बैग तो बड़े स्टोर के लिए, जैसे गैप है, कोच के लिए बैग बनाया, और
विल्सन के लिए
तो 10-15 साल मैंने लगातार पोर्टफोलियो बैग दिया है। उनका सिस्टम ये था कि वहाँ के आदमी आके यहाँ इंस्पेक्शन करते थे और हमारे यहाँ पैक करके सीधे
पोर्ट के लिए शिपमेंट बिलिंग शुरू किया था। वेरी गुड।
और उनकी बिलिंग जो है, जैसे क्रूवास है, जैक है, बेनॉक्स है, ये लोग करते थे, लेकिन प्रोडक्शन हमारे यहाँ बनता था और इंस्पेक्शन हमारी ही जगह पे।
That has been a different achievement. What Mr. Kamran did was that he did not go for exports directly, but then he has been servicing all the exporters. This has been a very different performance what he has done from what I could hear from him. And having traveled with him the last 20 years, even I am really amazed, and then in fact I get a lot of inspiration from Mr. Kamran, the way he works. He is at least 15 years senior to me. But then still, I take a lot of inspiration from him because of the hard work he's doing till today, and then the spirit and the what I would say, the innovations which keep on driving him very hard. And it's lovely that he has been working with some of the big exporters based in Delhi, and then like Krubos, Alpine, Abexo, Jack, and Venox, Bazaar Connections, and all these groups he has been working for certain brands like Wilson's, Coach, J. Crew, and then he has also been working for some brands like Karigar in US. So all these brands he has been servicing for the last so many years. That has been a wonderful achievement, Kamran sir. So then, what other developments you are now planning? क्या किया अभी कमरण सर? ये तो
अभी
कोरोना का टाइम पे ज़्यादा काम नहीं हो रहा था, फिर भी डेवलपमेंट क्या किया?
हेयरऑन में यंग गर्ल्स के लिए कुछ बैग डेवलप किए हैं। हेयरऑन के साथ
टिपिकल कानपुर लेदर को यूज करके जो है आपने कैरन के साथ में इसको मिला दिया। अंदर ये अच्छा लगा बिकॉज़ ये इसमें जो है आपने ये हैंडल जो है चेन सिस्टम भी लगाया, फिर उसके ऊपर में इसको होल्ड करने के लिए आपने हार्नेस कलर भी यूज किया है ना, वो थिकनेस वाला हार्नेस कलर भी यूज किया, बहुत अच्छा है, गुड। तो ये भी अच्छा है कलेक्शन विद ब्लैक हेरन, एंड हेरन जो है हमेशा आपका एक स्पेशलिटी प्रोडक्ट भी रहेगी।
हेयरऑन बलिंग
ये सब जो है ना, ये यंग लड़की लोग के लिए बनाया, अभी तो यंग जवान लड़का लोग के लिए कुछ नहीं बनाया।
ये कैनवस के विद लेदर कॉम्बिनेशन।
वेरी नाइस, दैट्स अ नाइस लैपटॉप बैग, ये शोल्डर स्ट्रैप के साथ होगा, दैट्स अ नाइस बैग। अगर वो टूलिंग भी की है इसमें, दैट्स अ नाइस वन, ये कैनवस बैग में टूलिंग भी की है। दैट इज अ यूनिसेक्स बैग्स, आप बोल सकते हैं, मेन भी ले सकते हैं, लेडीज भी ले सकते हैं, दैट्स अ नाइस बैग टू बी देयर। Talking to Mr. Kamran, okay, the thing is that having got into this Corona lockdown period, he has been able to get into this planning of combining some trendy with the typical Kanpur leather combination. The typical Kanpur leather, which is the harness leather is over here, and then you see the heron leather which is coming up together, and then you got some nice tassels with fringes. That makes a nice collection of the ladies' bag. You could find it over here with a zebra printing on that, and that is with a claw printing of a leopard, and then you find a plain black heron leather also. So all that has been made together with a nice antique silver chains, and then complementing that with a real harness leather, which is a heavy thickness. Asking him about the production, what he has done, and developments only for the young girls. He has even developed for the young boys to make a nice young boys and then young office going persons to carry a nice laptop bag which is made with a canvas and a leather combination, again a harness leather and canvas, which is typically a famous product from Kanpur. Then he has got also the tooling with the canvas to make it for a crossbody bag and a messenger bag, which will be ideal for any person who is carrying laptops and also putting it on the shoulder across in his body and then traveling by motorcycle. That's a nice bag. And then this is a unisex bag which can be attractive for the women and also for men to be with the tooling and the canvas, a typical specialty from Kanpur, which Mr. Kamran, following all that is as a made in India production. Canvas is from Kanpur, the leather is from Kanpur, the tooling is from Kanpur, and the metal fitting is all from Aligarh, that is from Uttar Pradesh. The whole project is a Make in India project by Mr. Kamran.
ट्रेवल्स के लिए ये बैग जो है बनवाया है, ये आपका
Duffel bag. अच्छा, इसमें जो जिपर
पूरा जिपर हो जाता है, ये लाइट वेट है, ये पूरा हो जाता है, ये लाइट वेट है, लाइट वेट है,
गुड. अच्छा, इसका साथ में एक क्रॉस बॉडी बैग है और देन वैनिटी केस भी बनाई है. ठीक है, गुड, ये अच्छा लग रहा है. ठीक है. Coming back to the next product range, what Mr. Kamran has been doing is that he has been making a nice duffel bag, which is a typical Crazy Horse Kanpur leather. Okay, again, everything is made out of UP products. This fittings are from Aligarh, leather is from Kanpur, making is done in Kanpur. It's again a Making India project. And then that, if you see, is again a duffel bag, and it has got a double zipper which opens up totally, so which makes the traveler to carry as much as possible. You know, it can be like, if you look at it, it has got a big area to hold. So that will be a overnighter for a short travel. That's a very nice duffel bag. Inquiring him about the lightweight bags, today is the trend. So he has developed these lightweight bags to be taken care, which is because nowadays we have the airlines restricting the weight what you carry. So this has been made with a lightweight. So these are all heavy bags, and these are all with a very lightweight leather on this. Okay, the same again, a Crazy Horse leather and a oily leather of Kanpur, and then the fittings are from Aligarh. Again, it's a Make in India project. And then with the bag, it's complementing a crossbody bag and also a vanity case for a traveler. So this makes it a complete set, which is unique and special, as designed and developed by Mr. Kamran. नया प्रोडक्ट लाकर रखे हैं, थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करिए.
ये पिकनिक ब्लैंकेट होल्डर, इसका पिकनिक ब्लैंकेट होल्डर, ये है ब्लैंकेट. इसके अंदर लेदर स्टेप से ये ब्लैंकेट को कर देते हैं और इसके बाद इसको मुंह पे कैसे लेके.
ये लेदर भी आएगा? नहीं, लेदर नहीं आएगा. सो ब्लैंकेट को सेट रखने के लिए
ये ब्लैंकेट रहेगा. अच्छा. और ये इसका स्टेप रहेगा.
Okay, good. That's a nice new invention which is brought in, you know, to carry the blankets when you are going for a picnic, and then particularly when you are going on mountaineering and all that. You know, when you are traveling like that, so you require something to hold on your blanket in a possible way, in a proper way, and then this particular strapping helps doing that. And then he has made it in a very nice tool leather, which makes it interesting, and then that's heavy, which can hold really the weight of the blanket comfortably, which does not allow the leather to be broken at any point of time. ये क्या कर दिया आपने? पूरा ये हैट का दुकान लगा दिया यहाँ पर.
ये हैट का डेवलपमेंट है ये. अलग अलग लेदर में. क्रेजी लेदर है, ये फॉइल लेदर.
ट्राई करके देखो. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. गुड, नाइस.
इसको पहले
nice, good.
Crazy leather.
So now he has got again a variety of leathers which is used to make the hats. Okay, I love wearing hats, and then he has made some very nice hats. But then okay, may not be giving it to me today. Maybe later I will have to take it from him. That's a nice collection of hats over here. You can find on a oily waxy leather, and that's on a patent leather. That's a red patent, which makes it lively and lovely, and that's on a metallic leather. And then you have a croco leather also used over here. and then that's a lizard coming up on there, and then again a crazy horse leather that is coming for the hat. So this makes the nice collection, and really congratulations Kamran साहब, आपने 50 साल इस लेदर इंडस्ट्री में आपने टाइम दिया है, एंड देन बहुत सारा चीज आपने अपना पैशन को जारी रखे, एंड आपका जो फायर अभी तक उतना ही है, मैं 20 साल पहले जैसा आपको देखा है। तो नेचुरली आप और भी आगे इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए करना है, एंड और भी प्रोडक्ट्स लाना है, बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी को करना है। आप भी एक्सपोर्ट करने लगे आजकल में, तो लास्ट 10 इयर्स 15 इयर्स में भी देख रहा हूँ आप भी एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आप भी एक्सपोर्ट करिए, एंड देन अभी आपका बेटा भी लाइन पे आ गया, एक अच्छा सा ऑडिटेड फैक्ट्री भी बना लीजिएगा, ताकि आप बड़ा बड़ा कस्टमर को आप हैंडल कर सकते हैं। Okay, that makes a nice collection for Mr. Kamran to on the hat side also. And then, okay, I've been talking to him that he should get into exports directly, having serviced so many other factories around India for the last 50 years. Now he should start getting the export. Though he's also exporting, but in a very limited way. Now he has got his son also coming into the business. That means he's trying to build up a factory very soon, which will be a totally audited factory, servicing all the international customers with all his specialty work. And he always says that bring me such a product which others will refuse to make it. I will do it. That is the spirit of Mr. Kamran, and then let us congratulate and hail him, and then make him grow, pray for him, all very good success in his life, in his career and health. Be healthy, be happy, Mr. Kamran. Thank you very much.
Thank you.